From Social Samosa. So whoever the three people who ask the best questions will get the samosas. So yeah.
My name is Renzil, I'm from Amity. If someone throw mud on your channel, for example, there is competitor VTV. Okay, they say MTV is doing bullshit on social media, Twitter or social media, Facebook. So how you clear that? And how you clear your hands?
Firstly, I'm very sorry I couldn't attend your talk last weekend. Okay, at MIT. That's the brilliance about social media history. When Apple was showcasing their iPhone 5C, Nokia put a tweet out saying thanks Apple, and it was an image which says imitation is the best form of flattery, And Twitter themselves said that this was the most retweeted tweet after that Oreo dunk in the dark tweet. And that's what social media allows you to do. There is an ethics line, okay, which is where people won't take a direct dig at you, but that's the beauty, and that's fun, When a brand is, when two brands are fighting it out, no one will directly throw mud. It goes into the creative space, and this is when creative guys love it, because you have to creatively put it out to the audience that I am cooler than a channel, rather than directly talking to a channel that I'm cooler than you. No one cares about that. If two people are talking to each other, great, two channels are talking to each other. But the thing is, you have to put out a message out there for your fans, for other people who retweet it maybe, telling them I'm far cooler than that channel, and the other guy is going to give a reply. And this is when, the better creative mind usually wins it. So, and we are completely open to that, brands trolling brands, and that happens internationally a lot. In India, it doesn't happen too much, Taco Bell all the time going, taking people's cases. It happens all the time. It doesn't happen too much in India, because, the Indian thing is there that we never take the first step in a war. If someone throws something at us, we'll rather try to calm it down rather than throw something back. But social media allows that, and it's brilliant. And we do that with the brands, and I'm lucky that I'm part of MTV, because our Twitter bio is like the channel your mom warned you about. So the people who troll us, Vodafone can't troll the people who troll them back. The people who troll us, we troll them back. So a guy says, MTV, where the fuck is the music? Dear MTV, give my M back. Regards, music, and we have a lot of people doing that. So we ask them, what's your favorite song? What do you want to hear? And they tell us the song, and we smartly give them the YouTube link. Say if you in this present digital era are on Twitter complaining to us about MTV not playing music, which I disagree with, because we still play a lot of music. But if you're asking for a particular song, you must be really stupid if you can't find the song which you want on the internet. It's there everywhere. Gaana, Dhingana, Savan, YouTube. If you want a particular song, you should be smart enough to get it. So you can't troll us, because we actually troll back.
One more thing, if you hit one success, how to go to second point? For example, there is Gangnam Style video, which was huge success. Now second video comes as a Gentleman Style, which didn't got that level. So what he should do on social platform to achieve that success?
He needs to be lucky, man. You can't be lucky all the time. You can't win a lucky draw and you can't win it again. There is something. Gangnam Style is the wrong example. If you take, and with 1 billion, it's difficult to replicate. But you see Miley Cyrus in the news every day. She's replicating it, and she's doing something right. But it's not that astronomical levels of a billion. It's very difficult to. You won't get a Kolaveri tea every day, but you will get good Bollywood songs every day. T-Series and YRF come out, and it gets the 1 million, 6 million views. Honey Singh does that. You see Honey Singh's there in every movie nowadays. You see Chennai Express, he's there on Boss. He's doing well. All the songs are doing 3 to 6 million, yes. But Gentleman, that song didn't do that bad. But expecting a billion, you gotta be lucky. You gotta go to the temple every day, probably.
Yeah, the general rule I would recommend everyone to remember is that incremental success can be improved upon. Explosive success can never be improved upon, because it was an aberrant event